Hey everyone, this is Fat Abdul Aziz and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. At first, we will search Google Ads Manager account. Now we have to click the second URL, which is business.google.com. Now this is a interface. We have to click the Start Now button. Then we have to write a account display name. For example, I will write my name Fahad Manager ACC account. Then you can change the billing country, time zone, or currency, and then click the I'm not a robot and click submit. And your Google Ads Manager account is created. Now click the explode your account. Now this is the new Google Ads Manager account. So here you can see there's my name Fahad Manager account, and this is my manager account ID. So if you want to take your client's account, just simply go to the accounts, then go to the sub account settings, and then you have to click the plus icon and click the link existing account. Here you will write your client's Google account ID, and then you have to click the send request. On the other hand, your client will receive an email of accept your request. If your client approve, you will see your client's Google account here. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video.